Guys, 2023 Toyota GRC, Corolla GRC. First one on the channel. Cat's there. There's a manifold cat on top. We did a mid-resonator delete right there with 3-inch pipe in its place. And then kept the muffler the same for now. You guys can see it's a weird contraption of a muffler. It's got a valve in the center and then out the sides on each side stock. So when the valve is closed, it goes through the muffler on each side. When the valve is open, it goes right through the muffler a little bit, but most of it goes out the mid pipe. All right, so he's like, I wanted some more tone. So we said, just do a resonator delete for now. That's what we did for him. All right, but that's what it looks like. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Here we go, Toyota Corolla GRC Turbo 3-cylinder. Go ahead. We just did a resonator delete on it. Yeah, big difference already. So this is the idle, guys. The valve is half open. You can hear it. Here's sound decibels. Right at, my voice is louder. 74. Give it gas. More. You like that? All right, he likes it. Again? Yeah, see, when it gets to a certain RPM, it opens all the way. Yeah, that's perfect. 3-cylinder turbo GRC Toyota. All you need is a resonator delete on this and you're good. You're golden. One more. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. So right at 98, that's perfect. It's right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. You can hear the turbo spool. Yeah, the valve stays open. Look, you see it?
Yeah.
Which is good. That's what you want.
Yeah.
I bet you the valve is closed only at cold start, so it makes it quieter.
Actually, that's right, yeah.
And it stays open after that,
Yes.
which is a good design.
Yeah.
I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Circuit Edition all-wheel drive turbo GR Toyota GRC 3-cylinder turbo pushing 300 horsepower, which is crazy. All it needs is a resonator delete and he's happy. Let's see what this thing can do. Perfect. Not crazy loud, just perfect. I like it.